I want to get this expression as an output of two input voltages like V1 and V2, and this is the output that I want, so 3V2 minus 5V1. Now I will use the differential amplifier that I discussed in the previous video, and that one I got this expression in that video for the differential amplifier. I won't derive the expression again, but I will just ask the viewer to look back into that video. I will give a link to that video as well in the description section. So this is the expression that I got. Just you can see that this is V2 here, this is V1 here, and this one. Now I need to get this expression, so this will be R1, sorry, not V1, this is R1. So R4 over R1 will be 5. So we can see that R4 will be 5R1. This is one thing we can get from this one. So that's there. And then this expression has to be 3. This whole expression has to be 3. So you can do that. R4 over R1, 1 plus R1 over R4, and 1 plus R2 over R3. So this one has to be 3. Now this part is essentially 5, so we can remove back 1 plus R1 over R4, 1 plus R2 over R3 is equal to 3 over 5, because this one is 5 and this, the whole thing has to be 3, so yes. And then if I rewrite this thing, I get 1 plus 1 over 5 here, because it's R4 is 5, and so just writing inverse. So since this is R4 is equal to 5R1 from here, so this is now becoming 6 over 5, and this is becoming 5 over 3, and 1 plus R2 over R3. So this is getting cancelled. This is we are getting 2 is equal to 1 plus R2 over R3, and if I rearrange it, I can write R2 over R3 is equal to 1. That gives me R2 is equal to R3. So what I get here is, if R1 is say R, this one will be 5R, and the ratio has to be same, so R over 5R. So basically we can have also R2 and R3 as some other resistance, because they will be equal as we saw here. So maybe R is 10 kilo ohms, R1 is 10 kilo ohms, R4 is 50 kilo ohms, and then maybe these two, say 20 kilo ohms, and we will get the desired output voltage in that. So this is one way of doing it, using the differential amplifier approach or difference amplifier approach, whatever we say. And there is another way of doing it, just using the using two op amps actually. So I will do that hopefully in the next video.